So hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create this blur effect in CapCut. So in the for shorts, right? As you can see, I have created one of these videos where you can see there is like a little bit of a blur on the background. So let's go ahead and do this. So uh, let's go to CapCut, and I have a file here for the Forza Horizon 6, and I'll select the aspect ratio for 9:16 years, and I'll set the video accordingly. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to duplicate this video. Okay, just click Alt and then drag the drag the video on the top of the timeline. So there's like two versions. So what we need to do is we need to expand this, right? Expand. Which version did okay, we need to expand, then we need to go to the effects, then we need to type the blur effect. Yeah, blur. Let's select blur. um wait a minute, it's loading. Yeah. So we need to add this blur effect and we need to drag this on our video. So once we have done that, as you can see, the video is totally blurred. You can just put how much blur you want here by selecting if you want total blur or like the small amounts of blur. I just put it something like to 50, 40, right? 40 is fine. Then you need to drag your video that is underneath. Then you need to drag it above the one that you have applied the effect on, right? So this is how you do it, right? The Yeah, now you can see the blur effect is working just fine, as you can see here. Yeah. So you can just go ahead and export it, and that's it. That is how you can add a blur, background blur, to your videos in CapCut.